Hello, today I want to show you this really great electric bike. I love it. My wife and I have both been using it around town just to have fun. We bike with the kids, but when I'm on my own, I like to take it off-road, take it on dirt roads, and this thing is fantastic. So you can use it as a normal bike without any electric assistance, or you can use it with the electric assistance. Either way, it's a really great ride. The seat is nice and comfortable. It's adjustable as well, just right here. So my wife and I can both easily use it and adjust it to our height so it's comfortable. This is the battery. It's a really big capacity battery, large storage area. You can go many miles between charges, which is always great. Hopefully you can come back here and see the charging port here for the battery. You charge right there, and it also has a USB, so if you want to plug in your phone on the way, you could do that as well. It comes with this key, so you can unlock it here and take the whole battery with you. So if you're somewhere and you want to charge a battery at your office desk or at school or whatever it is, that's really easy. So look at how big these tires are. They're huge. You can go over anything you want. Take it off-roading or over bumps, through the grass. You're going to get through all of it. It's fantastic. Let me show the actual screen up here now. So you hold the button here to turn it on. Nice big screen. It shows you how much battery is left, which is always a nice indicator. Show you how fast you're going. It's got 5 different assistance speeds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then if you put it down to 0, that's when you're just doing it on your own. You can hold this front button too and turn on the lights. So you've got a headlight and a tail light. Everything you need to ride safely. This thing has it. 7 speeds up here as well. Easy to change through them. So you can go up to 7, 1 to 7. Hand brakes, throttle is right here. So if I pull this, it'll start going a little bit. I won't do that, but it's honestly, it's very easy to use, super fun to ride. Let me show you how it goes. Set this down. Hit the kickstand. Put it on 3, and then away we go. This is great, and I would highly recommend it.